Birdie in the bus now. Oh, birdie in the bus? That must just suck, buddy. Let's get you the biggity butt out of here. You better not fly to my face, because I will quah, quah. There he is. I have seen the bird. I am the bird catcher. Bird catcher Bladler. I am here to catch the bird. He is here to kill me. Together, we will fight each other. Bird, you must respect me, and I will respect you. Are you ready for the fury of the bird catcher? Bird catcher. I will use my magic hat to catch the bird. Bird catcher! Come here. You will not be able to run. There will be nowhere to hide. Oh. He got out, and he's right there. Outside of the bus now. Bus. Bird. Got it. I was gonna catch him. Now he's out. Outside. No. Alright. Bird catcher. This is the bird catcher. Signing off.